Hey everybody, Matty Nelson here at Seekins Precision. Going to go over how to install a ATC muzzle brake today. This is Seekins muscle device, guys. It's the ATC muzzle brake. A lot of ingenuity, a lot of engineering time has gone behind making this brake what it is, and it really is a great brake. It really helps you manage that recoil, knocks the recoil off those larger caliber guns, makes it a little bit more manageable to handle. So it's a really nice brake to put on a weapon system that you may already have. Doesn't matter, gas gun, bolt gun. We're going to be putting one on a 300 PRC PH2 today. So let's go ahead and jump right in it. First things first, anytime I'm working on a gun, guys, I'm going to make sure that it is safe and clear. This gun is empty and we're good. The muzzle brake, guys, is always going to come with a timing nut. So the timing nut goes on first. There are two ends to this timing nut. There is a flat surface and then there is a cupped surface. So if you look inside, you can see the threads. The cupped surface is going to go over the top of the barrel, and the flat surface is going to go against the back of the muzzle brake when we get it all timed up. So that nut is going to go on first. So we're going to spin that guy on all the way. The muzzle brake, to indicate up and down, guys, there is a Seekins S. This Seekins symbol right here is machined into the top of that brake. So we're going to wind that guy in, then we're going to back it out to where that Seekins S is facing up, and then I'm going to loosen that timing nut back out down the threads until it makes contact with the brake, and then we're going to pinch them together and they're going to lock up against each other. So that's how we time it. To make it absolutely perfect, I already have a bubble level on my Picatinny rail there. I'm going to put a bubble level here, guys, and we're really, really close. Let me loosen this just a bit. I'm going to get it lined up just where I want it. Okay, perfect. We look good right there. All right, now to get it tightened up, guys, crescent wrench is going to be the easiest way to lock onto that timing nut because you can adjust the size, and a 7/8 wrench is going to go right around that muzzle brake. I'm going to keep everything lined up. We're going to go ahead and tighten it down, give it a good twist on there, double check, and we are level and good to go, guys. That is as easy as it is. That's the Seekins ATC. That's the install video, guys. Super simple, awesome piece of kit to add to your gun. Get after it, guys. Take care.